It's almost Easter, and who doesn't love French toast at Easter brunch? I'm getting creative and using my Christmas panettone bread, which I had previously frozen, and turning it into the most delicious, flavorful French toast ever with the best maple syrup from my dear friends in Maine. And it was made at the Sugar Shack in Albion, Maine, and it's reminiscent of my childhood in New England. Okay, let's make that delicious French toast. Start by thawing out your panettone bread. I did it overnight in the fridge. I then cut that nice half a loaf that I had left into thick slices. I lightly beat up 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, some salt. I didn't add any additional sweet spices to this dipping batter because my panettone was made with bittersweet chocolate, candied citrus peels, so it was sweet enough. Here's one of my home economic tricks. I always have a frozen can of OJ in my freezer. Oh, thick cut applewood smoked bacon. Is there anything better to go with this type of sweet French toast? I drained off a bit of that bacon fat, but I left a little, and I skimmed off some of those heavier bits of bacon, but I want to get that nice smoky flavor on the crust of my French toast. I cooked them on medium, pressing down lightly, a few flips each side until they look nicely golden brown. You'll know when they're done. Trying to create a sort of spring Easter here in Miami, but it's like 85 degrees already. It's so hot. Okay. Happy Easter. I made, you saw me, this is my panettone bread Christmas that Kim and I made virtually together. It has orange, hazelnuts, chocolate, and it makes the best French toast. So I froze half of it after Christmas, and now we're having it for Easter French toast. And a special treat from Maine. Kim and Jim Goff, our dear friends, sent us from the Sugar Shack. They went there last weekend, I believe, or the weekend before, and had a really fabulous, tree tapping Saturday, and picked us up this maple sugar, maple syrup. Maple syrup tastes just like my childhood in Williamstown. It's got that smokiness to it that you just don't find in sort of commercial brands. And that bacon, could you just watch that bacon cook for like a half an hour? It's so relaxing. I made that orange juice. And they just had some mimosas while I cooked the Easter ham. That would be lovely to go with our orange juice. So we're going to feast. This is not all for me. Patty's had to get called off from work, so I had to take off on my own. Saturday, it's in construction management, and he gets called away on the weekends sometimes, unfortunately, but I'll save his, don't worry. I'm going to start with one, but I'll probably have a second piece. I think I made 2 or 3 for each of us, but that'll be too much. Oh God, I can't wait. It's nice and thick, and in the freezer it held beautifully. There's the chocolate pieces and I got a nice crust on it. I think I even put some ginger in there. I see little pieces of crystallized ginger. Kim will know. But we had this before as French toast after I made it at Christmas, and it was delicious. So I know it's even better. It got a little more dry in the freezer, so that actually helped, I think, the French toast. It kind of soaked up all that eggy cream mixture. And like I said, I hope I said it in the video while I was making it, I didn't add vanilla and sugar and cinnamon to that cream mixture and egg mixture because this panettone is so sweet. It has all those flavors already in there. I didn't want to overpower everything, and that's why I actually put a little salt in there too, to kind of make a savory sweet. But I gotta eat. I gotta dive in. Oh my God. It's so good. I need more maple syrup.
orange and the chocolate. I don't make this all the time ever, hardly, just for holidays. So Easter and Christmas, this is really nice. But what a lovely way to make it at Christmas, because it is a lot of work. Save it till Easter and then finish it at Easter. It's really special. There again is some home economics. You're not wasting anything. And you know what? This bacon, this is thick cut apple smoked bacon. I'm in a real bacon mood today. It goes so well with the French toast. So, panettone, French toast, apple smoked bacon, Sugar Shack, maple syrup from Maine. It's already a great Easter. Hope you guys have a great time with your family celebrating Easter. And we'll be here cooking in Miami. Literally.